This is Twin Cities Adventures, and in today's video, we're going to teach you how we integrated a third parrot into our group of parrots. So the yellow parrot on the right-hand side, his name is Fig. He's the third parrot that we're bringing home to integrate with our other two birds. Fig is a lovebird, and he's going to join Kiwi, our canary wing pocket parrot, and Mango, our other lovebird. On day one of bringing the new bird home, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to introduce Fig to the other animals in the house. So here's some quality time with Mango, the other lovebird, and Jack, which is Samuel's kitty. We just wanted to make sure that they got along fine first, and they did. They fell in love right away. Mango is a girl and Fig is a boy, so there's no problem with those two. Jack also took a liking to Fig, so they immediately started spending quality time together. And then we introduced our canary wing pocket parrot. This is Kiwi, the green one on the left. Kiwi was a little bit standoffish and didn't know what to think at first, so Kiwi would retreat to my shoulder, and shortly after, Mango would go up there and join Kiwi since they were already bonded. Then we started having little play dates for a few minutes here and there. And when we did the play dates, we always wanted to make it a happy experience, so we would give Kiwi and the other birds one of their favorite treats, which is little slices of grapes. Kiwi loved that and associated the play dates with getting treats, which made them very happy. And because Kiwi was a little bit frustrated with a third bird coming into the group, we decided to separate Kiwi for a little while in a second cage, and we put it right next to the other cage so Mango could hop back and forth and spend time with both Fig and Kiwi. So everybody seemed to be pretty good with this. We just did little play dates every once in a while, but Kiwi got to sleep separate, so he was calm and happy and nobody bothered him. And then Mango slept with Fig in the bigger cage right off the bat because they instantly liked each other. This also gave Kiwi the opportunity to hop over to the other cage and spend time with the other birds whenever he was in the mood. Mango liked coming over to visit Kiwi in his new cage that he was staying in temporarily, and they had some playdates over there as well. Every once in a while, Fig would come over and join Mango and Kiwi as well to see what's going on in the little cage. They all seemed to like that, and then they'd go back and forth between cages. To make the transition easier, I spent a lot of extra time with Kiwi, and we also felt it was a good idea to introduce a new play toy. So we picked up this little jungle gym, and Kiwi really enjoyed spending time on that also. We thought the more change that we integrated with the new bird, the better. That way they would be used to different things happening and associate it with exciting times. After a few days, their play dates seemed to be becoming a little bit normal to everybody. They all integrated well, and once again we always associate it with fresh food and water, so they would always have happy tummies while they were together. Also, after a few days, we noticed that Fig liked to sing to the other birds. And not only do the birds like this, but the kitties loved listening to it also. Speaking of kitties, our next door neighbor Samson, who is a Siamese cat, came over to check on the birds and the kitties once a day and was super excited to have a new friend in the neighborhood. After about a week of Kiwi sleeping separate in a second cage, Mango had a talk with him and he decided that he was ready to come and join the other two birds. But before that happened, we had one more play date with Kiwi and Fig, and they got along really well, so we thought, all right, it's time to put them in together. So we started by doing it at nighttime with the cover over it so they were nice and calm. And we also decided that we would rearrange their cage and put their ropes in another pattern to give them something new and exciting to look at. We also noticed that one thing they really loved is when we played sounds of rain and thunderstorms because it was really calming. Another thing that we play for them often is sounds of the Amazon. It has birds and other animals making noises in their native land. The birds absolutely love this. And there we have it, perfectly integrated. The three birds are now good friends. And if you want to see the video on how we integrated two birds together in one cage, I'll put a link on the bottom of the screen towards the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Twin Cities Adventures, out.